11 wins this season. And there he is. Good to see Mika Zibanejad back on the bench. Saw a little bit of a smile on his face.
He is a happy guy.
Rangers open up with Jordan Martinook is off for hooking. Out of the penalty box, Joel Edmondson. It's a 5-on-4. They score! Mika Zibanejad! It's a power play goal! And how about that for a return to the lineup?
Adam Fox. Fox, patient, 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 patient. Bang! Right on the stick. And Zibanejad had all that net. I mean, this was fabulous. The way Fox took his time and waited for just the slightest of openings.
Aaron has points in 15 of his last 16. Chance in front for Fox. Save made by Mrazek. That shot, they score! Brendan Smith!
By getting in, that's him going in on the forecheck. He forces Mrazek to get rid of it. The Rangers take the boards away, and as they're taking it to the net, Smith goes back because the other defense moved in. That was D'Angelo, so he did the right thing, waited for the puck to come to him, and just simply took the shot.
Here's Panarin across. Panarin finds the trailer. Shot by Strome is high, off the glass. Hayek sets up Panarin. He scores! It may have been tipped in front by Adam Fox.
It definitely was. Fox deflected it in. Here's the first chance by Strome. What a chance, missed the net. He thought it was in. And then as this puck goes across, there's Fox in front.
Howden and Fost on for the Rangers with Shea and Trouba. That pass went through. Svechnikov to Hamilton. They score! That was deflected down low. Might have been Ryan Dzingel.
Yeah, I think it was Foegele.
Yeah?
I believe it was Foegele that got it. Line of credit, they moved the puck around. They got to loose pucks. Rangers penalty killers got tired. And, oh, pardon me, Sam, that was Dzingel. You're right. 18. And that's a good pass from Hamilton.
Yes.
He's known for his fabulous shot.
Fox back for it. Lindgren moves it up the boards. Is blocked in. Chance down low. Saved by Lundqvist. And the rebound was put in. Lundqvist, I think he's arguing that he had possession, but Foegele was there poking at it.
Group out. Because Foegele will get one chance here. Let's see if he doesn't get hit. See, he gets hit from behind. And I'm not sure if that momentum, you know, Lundqvist might be claiming that, you know, I mean, the puck's in the net.
Yeah.
But when your own player hits the opposing player, and then there's contact, the play stands.
Dzingel at 14:29 from Hamilton and Svechnikov. And here's a chance for Natchez.
What a save.
Oh, man.
What a save. He had a wide open net.
The boards to Foegele. Foegele has a goal. Dzingel a goal for Carolina. Here's Foegele. Saved by Lundqvist. Tough shot and a good save.
He had 7 shots. Yeah, that's a good save. Here's Foegele. Watch him use the Ranger player.
Sit around the boards to Hayden Fleury. Fleury picks it up. Foegele at the top of the crease and a save by Lundqvist. Hayden Fleury plays it deep. Bounces to the side of the net. In the crease. Lundqvist made a save on Fleury and covered up. Hamilton with 5 seconds to go. Jordan Staal's backhander saved by Lundqvist, and it's over. The Rangers win it.